What's up, guys? Today we are at the Point Marion Lock and Dam. Never been down here before, but we have got something on, and I got a friend with me today too, Matthew. Could you please hold that for me? I think it's a smallmouth. Yeah. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. This is all our stuff today. Not a bad little first start. We've only been here for like 20 minutes. We've still been getting baited up and everything, but yeah, not a bad one. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Okay. And the release. All right, stick around, guys. We'll be back. All right, guys. Matt's on. All right, I'll talk to you. Bye. Nice. Matt's got a catfish. Oh yeah. Nice catfish. Nice. Looks like he swallowed it. He's gonna be so dizzy when he gets out of here. Definitely swallowed it. Nice cat, Matt. Hold on. I gotta go and get the pliers. Hold on. I gotta get the pliers for him. You guys can see at Point Marion Dam, Lock and Dam, where we're at down here. There's one pole, there's two poles, and there's a third pole here. Earlier, whenever we come down here, it was like a 3-foot muskie. A 3-foot muskie came from here and like went all the way down through here. Big muskie. And then I come up here and I said something to the guy, and the guy's like, "You're the second guy that's seen that today." I said, "Yeah." I said, "That thing was big." So, all right, let me get this catfish off, get it set free, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got one on, got another one. I don't know what it is yet. I haven't got it up far enough. Didn't have the camera right. I don't know what it is. Let's see what. Oh, that's another smallmouth. There we go, guys. There we go. There's another one. Nice little smallmouth. Let's see. I'm filming myself today. Matt's down below. Nice little smallmouth. Not too bad, huh? Yeah, we've been down here at Cheat River, or Cheat Dam. I'm sorry. Came down here. I made a little short earlier. I called it the Point Marion Lock and Dam, and got corrected. I was at the wrong spot. It's the Cheat River Dam. Or Cheat Lake Dam, I'm sorry. I'm still getting it wrong. Try to get the hook out of him. He really swallowed it. There we go. Nice. Oh, here he goes. Huh. Thought that only happened on the boat. There we go. Nice little smallmouth. Oh, there he goes. All right, let's get this guy back in the water before he dies or anything. Nice, and a release. Nice. All right, that's another one here from River Rat Fishing. Hey, if you guys like my channel, give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, a comment. You know, anything you guys want. Just, yeah, it's free to subscribe, so you might as well, you know, just subscribe. All right, we'll be back. All right, I just heard Matt say something. He said he's got one. Let's see what he's got. Oh yeah, there you go.
Had a chunk of worm left. I found this on the ground, so I threw it on there too.
Nice one. Nice one. Not too bad here. Nice one. Stick around. And the release. Nice.
Six.
Love it.
6.2.
6.2, we'll call it a 6.2. I'm game. Yeah, all we're using out here is minnows and night crawlers. And it's pretty warm. It's like 80-some degrees, so fish have been few and far in between, but you know, we're still getting them, not just as fast, I guess you would say. Now I got a bite on this one. Nope. Another snag. There is a lot of snags down here, so I don't know. Stick around.
Okay.
All right, guys, we got something big on here. Matt, can you get over the rail and see what it is? Oh, I don't know. It's big. Whatever it is, it's big, Matt.
I don't see.
I know, he's coming, he's coming. See color? I don't even see color yet.
Nope. Oh, wait, right there.
Yeah.
Big catfish.
Nice catfish. Oh yeah. We got a net.
We're gonna have to walk them down to the shore over there.
Yeah. Definitely walk this one down. Go down here, hopefully no snakes get me.
I'll hold it right here. And then you can walk down with this camera going and pick up the line.
You got him?
Yep.
Okay. Now earlier I was telling Matt about all the snakes that are probably down in these rocks. And I guarantee you there's some big ones down in here. So I'm gonna climb down to get this fish for you guys, along with all the big giant snakes. Oh yeah, we got a nice catfish here. Definitely nice catfish. Let's see here. Get him up. There's a nice one. All right, I gotta go up and get my pliers. Reel this up with me, Matt, while I come up. Yeah, he was out there. Look at that, that's a nice one. He was out there hitting it. It's been out there soaking now for like an hour, guys. And we finally got something real nice. All right. No. I'm glad my other pole didn't go in. Hey guys.
You can't have his fish.
So we're gonna let Matt here take the camera. We're gonna get this hook out of him and get you guys a good look at him. It swallowed it. Best thing to do when they swallow them, guys, just cut it off as close as you can. You don't want to damage the fish. Definitely don't want to damage the fish. But there's one. Not too bad. Biggest one we got today, so. And the release. And there it goes.
Off for your release.
That's all right. No, it didn't shut off. It goes black. All right, guys, stick around. Let's see what else we can get unless Matt's ready to go. We'll see. All right, guys, so today we caught some, got that nice catfish, got a couple smallies on video. We're at the Cheat River Dam. Wasn't too bad. There's a little shot. They're letting some of the water out now. They haven't let water out all day. We go to leave and they start letting the water out. But you know, got a couple for you guys today. Got something out of here. Can't complain. Kind of like the spot, like the place. Definitely going to come back and try it out. But yeah, I don't know. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and